guys, thanks for coming by again. Today we're gonna do my second unboxing. Let's get to it. In my last video with baby, I was having some radio issues. I took it in to try and get it fixed. The guy took one look at it and said, you know what, it would cost you more to fix this than it would to buy a new one. So this is what it does. And it still works with the car, but it gives off this really annoying beeping noise, and I'm afraid that the range has also been compromised, so I think it's time to say goodbye to this guy. And let's say hello to this guy. This is the FS-GT2B. I picked this up at my local hobby shop for about 50 bucks Canadian. A lot more up to date, obviously, than my current one. Well, let's crack it open and see what we get. Cut the seal here. There we go. All right. Fresh plastic. So it comes in this handy little plastic cover case, which I'm sure protects it really well for shipping. Made in China, obviously, everything is. So we got our cute little manual here. Let's see here. We've got Chinese manual. Oh, there's the English. Let's see. Yep, it's a radio. All right. So let's put this in here. So it comes with its own little receiver and not necessary antenna and binding thingamajiggeroo. Here's the radio. Oh, what do we got underneath here? Oh, uh-oh, rubber. Well, that's got to come off. Rubber slippy. I don't like slippy when I'm holding on to my wheel. Oh, what do you know? Little LiPo battery. No more double A's. That is so awesome. Oh, that is so awesome. No more double A's. That's awesome. Cool. LiPo remote. And we got an extra grippy in here, and it looks like a little USB to micro USB charge cable. So basically any Samsung Android device charge cable will work on this. And we all know we could use a couple extra little USB to micro USB cables, can't we? Now, this also came with an extra handle. Looks the same. One is S and one is L. Not sure what the difference is. So if you guys know the difference, leave a comment and let me know, because they look identical, except one has an S and one has an L. Soft and soft, maybe softer, and L for lighter. I don't know, but they look the same. They kind of feel the same. I don't know, but it's kind of cool. It's got holes through the handles here. It's a pretty standard remote. You know, I think they use this body for this plastic body for multiple different companies, honestly. Because I've seen this remote that looks very similar come with many different kits, so it's kind of weird. But this is the Fly Sky version of the remote, FS-GT2B, or not 2B, 2.4 gigahertz. Obviously, anything you buy today should be 2.4 gigahertz FM band. Kind of cool. I'm used to having a little crystal that you put in the remote, and then you put a crystal in the receiver, and then that allows it to communicate with each other. But the new technology these days, apparently you just bind it, which is this little bind. Oh, it doesn't stay up on its own very well. I'll add that. This little binder cable here, and it's got like what looks like a little reset key in there as well. I don't know if you can see that in the bag. So I'm gonna have to look into how to do that. I'm not sure how to bind these things. I've never had to bind one before. I think it does mention in the that it's already pre-bound. Is that how you say it? Pre-bound? Pre-binded? Pre-bound. Yeah, so this thing, first off, I have to say it's tippy. Like when you set it down the bottom here, because it takes such a small battery, it doesn't come out as long as my old one did, and it seems to be head heavy and tippy. So maybe laying it down like that is better. Let's see if it makes a difference since we have the weight of the battery in there. Okay. Alright, battery's in there, and much better. A little better. Still really, it doesn't take much to tip over. Not sure how I'm liking that, but yeah, well. And this has got to go. This rubber handle thing, yeah, no, that's foam, baby, foam. So I'm gonna take the foam finger thingy off my old one, and I'm gonna slide it right on the new one. And there we go. It slides right on. It fits real nice. There you go. Foam grip. Beautiful. Same width, everything. So that means this will fit real nice on my old remote. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this old remote. Just retire it up there on the wall with baby, maybe. Baby's old body, the Lambo. You know, for a rubber handle, it doesn't feel that bad, but I still prefer the foam. So there you go. It's pretty basic. You've got your 3 channels. Your 3rd channel is on the handle here, so you can access it very easily with your finger, which is kind of cool. Just got to push down here a little bit on the side of the handle here. My finger's moving. Oh, maybe I'm holding it off camera. Right there, that's the button on the handle for the 3rd channel. You've got all your adjustments in here, your throttle, your binding button there, your reverse of your polarities, the percentage of input. Not a bad radio, I have to say. And the gentleman, he said that the technology in this is definitely better than my old one, and I sure hope so, because the technology in my old one is almost 20 years old, so this better be better technology, that's for sure. So all in all, meh. I'm not overly impressed with it, but I wasn't expecting to be. I was just getting a replacement for my old one. These are really old cars. I'm not a serious racer when it comes to RCs. Real cars, that's a different story, but that's not what we're talking about. I'm not a serious racer when it comes to just RCs, so I don't need a serious RC remote. Just something that works, that's all. So that's it. That's my 2nd unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. In my next video, I've got a ripcord spring to fix, and I'll show you how I'm gonna do that. Order new ripcord. Are you kidding? Never. Never. There's nothing wrong with the one that's in there. It's just been disconnected inside, and I know how to fix it, and I'll show you how I do that on the next video. And then of course we're also going to install this brand new receiver, this tiny teeny little thing. I wish I thought of that before I cut the hole in the body for the antenna, although this still has a little antenna, so I might utilize that. I might stick out like this tall, just so that I feel okay about drilling the hole for the antenna still. Remember guys, if you liked this video, you found it informative, go and check out my other videos. I've got a lot of, I shouldn't say a lot, I don't have a lot of anything yet. I'm still quite new, but I've got some more wrenching videos on my channel. So please go check out those. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell if you want to know when I've posted new content. The next one where I'll be putting this receiver in this car and fixing the ripcord pull start. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, comment. I'll see if there's a link I can find to this room. I mean, you guys don't need a link to this really. It's pretty basic. I'm sure you go to any hobby shop and they're gonna have but a half decent one that'll work for about 50 bucks, pretty much. Thanks for coming by, guys. Thanks for watching. And as always, keep on RCing and keep on keeping on. Ciao.